I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files on iPhone. So what you want to do is you want to open up files, and let's say that I have deleted this final ebook and I don't know how to recover it. So what you need to do is click on the bottom right on browse and then click on it again until you get this screen. Once you have this screen, you need to click on recently deleted, and here you will see all of your recently deleted things. Click on that ebook, and now you can just click and recover. You need to click on select, click on the ebook, and then recover. And now if I go back to my recents or wherever it was saved, you can see that the ebook is now here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.